As I went out through Dublin city at the hour of 12 in the night, who should I see but the Spanish lady washing her feet by candlelight. First she washed them, then she dried them over a fire of amber coal. In all me life I ne'er did see a maid so neat about the soul. Whack for the tooraloora laddie, whack for the tooraloora lay, whack for the tooraloora laddie, whack for the tooraloora lay. As I came back through Dublin city at the time of 8:30, who should I see but the Spanish lady brushing her hair so trim and neat. First she teased it, then she brushed it, on her lap was a silver comb. In all me life I ne'er did see so fair a maid since I did roam. Whack for the tooraloora laddie, whack for the tooraloora lay, whack for the tooraloora laddie, whack for the tooraloora lay. As I went round old Dublin city when the sun began to set, who should I meet but the Spanish lady catching a moth in a golden net. When she spied me, quick she fled me, lifting her petticoat over the knee. In all me life I ne'er did see a maid so gay as the Spanish lady. Whack for the tooraloora laddie, whack for the tooraloora lay, whack for the tooraloora laddie, whack for the tooraloora lay. I stopped to look, but the watchman passed. Says he, young fella, now the night is late. Along with you now, or I will wrestle you straightway through the Bridewell gate. I threw a kiss to the Spanish lady, hot as a fire of angry coal. In all me life I ne'er did see a maid so sweet about the soul. Whack for the tooraloora laddie, whack for the tooraloora lay, whack for the tooraloora laddie, whack for the tooraloora lay.